Good morning, children. Now we are going to continue the English class for second standard. Now I am taking the term 2 portion, children. All of you take page number 57. 57, children. See here, color the words in yellow they have given. Then they have given the letter live. Then LAST, last is given. Then color, COLOUR, color is given. Then friend, 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 EAT, eat. Then WANT, want. Year, YEAR, year. GOT, got. Play, PLAY, play. Then both, BOTH. They have given these words, children. You are going to color these words. Color the words in yellow. Yellow color you are going to color it. Okay. See here. In this column they have given the many words they have given in the box. In that boxes you have these words. To this word only you are going to color yellow color. Okay. You do it, children. This is homework for you. Okay. Then only you will be able to read these letters and identify one color. Okay, this is for you only. Then let us practice is given in page number 58. Page number 58. All of you take page number 58. See here, let us practice. These are two pencils. They have given two pencils. Then drums. There are two pencils. THERE. There are two pencils. There are three drums. There are 4 boys. There are 5 books. There are 6 pens. There are 10 dogs. They have given these sentences. Now we are going to complete the sentence. Complete the sentences. First they have given THERE there. Then 4 in my bag. They have given pen. In my bag, BAG, bag. What will come? There, R will come. ARER. ARER. There are 4 pens in my bag. Then second one. 2 dash is given. Dash and dash. Then 2 pencils. 2 PENCILS, pencils in my bag. See here what will come? See here, there 1 dash is given. Here 2 dash is given. What will come? 2 pencils means what will come? There are. More than 1 means we will use there are. THERE. There are. ARER. Then third one, dash, dash, 3 dash is given. Toys in my bag. TOYS, toys in my bag. In the picture they have given three toys they have given. 3 number is given. 1, 2, 3. So you can count and write. If you are having book only, you will do that one. So what will come? THERE. There are 3. THREE. There are 3 toys in my bag. Then fourth one. See here. Dash, dash, dash. The picture here given is given the books picture. Again one dash. My bag. B-A-G. Bag. See here. What will come? See there is coming, no? So, there. Rules. More than one means we should write there are. See here what will come? R will come. Here what will come? How many books? If you count and see means there is 5. Okay, 5 books. F-I-V. 5 books. Then what will come here? In. In my bag. See here. There are 4 pens in my bag. There are 2 pencils in my bag. There are 3 toys in my bag. There are 5 books in my bag. Okay children, finish writing. Page number 58, you write in the dash. Dash is there? No, you should write here in the dashes. Then we are going to say, read aloud. Page number 59. Let us say. See here, what is given? Cry. Picture is given here. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Pie. P-I-E. Pie. Tie. T-I-E. Tie. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. See here, listen and circle the words with long I sound. You should circle the words that come in long I. While we pronounce no, I will like flies. That long I is coming. We are going to circle those words. Listen and circle the words with long I sound. See here, the T-H-E, the kite, K-I-T-E, kite, flies, F-L-I-E-S, flies in the sky, in T-H-E, the S-K-Y, sky. The next sentence is, I ride my bike. I ride my bike by the side. S-I-D. This is long I. See here. Mike. M-I-K-E. Mike. Short I. Mike and Nike. Like pineapples. Pineapples. Then fourth sentence. The mice try to bite the pie. P-I-E, long I. Pie is long I. L-I-K-E, like, lime, L-I-M-E, lime, rice, R-I-C-E, rice, lime rice. Lime is long I. Draw a fine line. Draw a fine, F-I-N-E, fine line, long I. Okay, see here. We are going to circle the words that is pronouncing with long I. The kite, short, this is shortly we finished. Flies, this is long I. Flies in the sky. I ride my bike by the side. In this side is long I. See, Mike and Nike like pineapples. Like, see here. long I. The mice tried to bite the pie. P-I-E, pie, long I. I like lime rice, lime, long I. Okay. Draw a fine line, long I, L-I-N-E, line is long I. Okay children, it's in page number 59. Next we can see children, page number 60. All of you take page number 60. Page number 60. Add E and write the word. You are going to add E to the given word. Add E and write W-R-I-T-E, write the words. W-O-R-D-S, words. Example they have given. Sit, S-I-T, sit. Sight, S-I-T-E, sight. See here, they have given the words, you are going to add E. K-I-T is given, then R-I-D, rid is given, then bit, B-I-T, bit is given, then hid, H-I-D, hid, then pin, P-I-N is given, then fin, F-I-N, fin is given. You are going to add in the E in the end. See here, K-I-T is given. You are going to add E. K-I-T-E you are going to add in the last. See here, E. Then kite, K-I-T-E, kite. This one, spell the word children. R-I-D, rid. You are going to add E. R-I-D-E you are going to add in the last. Then what the spelling? Ride, R-I-D-E, ride. See here, read the spelling children. B-I-T, bit. You are going to add E in the last. So, bite, B-I-T-E, bite. See here, hid, H-I-D, hid is given. You are going to add E in the end, last. So, hide, H-I-D-E, hide. See here, pin, pin is given, P-I-N, pin. You are going to add E in the last. Pine, P-I-N-E, pine. See here, fin, F-I-N, fin is given. You are going to add E in the last. F-I-N-E, fine. Okay children, we are going to see now, fill in the missing letters. Finish children? This is book exercise, page number 60. If you are having term 2 book only, you will be able to follow this. So get your term 2 book as soon as possible from the school. Then only you can attend your half-yearly exam. See here, next one, fill in the missing letter. Picture is given, P dash dash is given, then tie picture is given. T dash dash, then kite picture is given. K dash T E is given. Then one boy is crying, one baby is crying. Then bike picture is given. Then fly picture is given. Okay, see the spelling. It's in page number 60. P-I-E will come. P-I-E, pie. This picture is tie. T-I-E, tie. This picture is kite. K-I-T-E, for E also dash only. Okay, this one baby is crying. C-R-Y, cry. Then bike, B-I-K-E, bike picture is given then. Then one insect is given, that is fly, F-L-Y, fly. Write in the dash children, book exercise, book work this one, fill in the missing letter. Pie, tie, kite, cry, bike, fly. Then match and tick the correct one. Page number 60 only. Sticks is given, then guitar is given, keyboard, then drums picture is given. For sticks what will come? You should tick. See here, 2 sticks is given. For these 2 sticks what instrument will come? One picture is guitar. Okay, see here. Then another picture is keyboard. Then another picture is drum. First stick what will come? This one is the correct one. So put tick. Okay. See here. With the help of stick only you used to play the drums. Okay. That one is the correct picture. Okay children, in this lesson what and all we saw? If more than one means we used to use there are. Okay, more than one means we used to plurals, no? So we can use there are. By this we are going to end to this lesson. In the next class we can see the question answers, meanings, opposites and all we can see in the next class. Okay children, thank you.